today I'm going to show you a really good Fortnite warm-up routine that you must try. After just a couple of days, I'll be feeling way more mechanical and way better in in-game fights. So as we all know, not all of us are good at Fortnite, but today I'm going to show you how to get better. So as we move on, there's a person called Typical Gamer, and if you click onto his link, it will show you a game called Crosshair Training, created by Jogo. And if you click onto it, but make sure to favorite it because it's really useful. If you click onto it, you'll see it's a normal training map. You might think, it's just a normal training map, it's not going to do anything. But when you get used to the map, you'll realize it's really good. So as we move on, there's 1v1 and build, and if you turn behind you, like I'm going to do, there's weapons around, and it has all of the new Chapter 7 Season 3 weapons. And if you come back out, you go into edit training, and these are the modes: easy, medium, and hard. So right now I'm doing easy to show you what it feels like. Easy is for bronze to gold, and afterwards you go into medium. This is made for plat to elite 1 maximum. After you finish with medium, you can go on to the next mode, which is hard. Hard is for champ and unreal players, and even elite players to get better and to be able to reach champ or unreal. And also this is very useful for when you're playing competitive, as you need to maximize your abilities to win games. As when you come out, play for about 2-3 minutes. And then here is the part for weapons. Even though it says weapons, it's an aim trainer. When you're using it, use if you struggle with aim. Afterwards, come into peace, very important in game. So it'll give you like about 20 different piece options, and I would recommend practice on all of them, especially on like your Saturdays and Sundays when you have the most amount of time. But if you practice all of them, you'll get used to in-game scenarios, and then afterwards, say like play for like 15 minutes on that, but it's really useful, and log out of the map. After that, you start feeling good. That's not the end of our training. So when you come out, there's another game called 2v2 for realistics, and it's made by FORTNITE. So if you search up him, make sure to follow all these creators that I talk about. Log on to his game, you'll find a normal 2v2 map. In most of them, they're not that good, but this is special. All the players you play against are really high level, and sometimes the others are unlucky like bad players, but make sure if you're against a bad player, just leave the lobby, and you get some really good players, stick to the lobby. Even though it might just get you annoyed, keep playing, because you can improve against better players. And then when you play against players that are normal and they're like on your level, you'll think, no, they're nowhere near my level. And this is just the selection that you can. So first you can pick your teams, pick whatever loadout you want, just shoot for the options. So right now we've got the shotgun and AR loadout. So I'm gonna pick the legendary Chaos and the blue Thunderburst, because they're one of my favorite weapons. And after you've selected your weapons, you can go into the ready to load up the match. Once you're in, there's 2 teams. Team A, the team that's box fighting, and Team B, the team that's aggressing. So at the start, as you can see, even though I started in a box, I became an aggressor trying to take this player out. But because I made a bad peek, he's got me. I'm dead. Even though I'm dead, it's not the end, because we've still got 11 rounds of this. So now I'm hoping for my teammate to clutch up. And it might sound weird, but cheer on your teammate when you're playing. So like say, come on, you got this, you're him, you can do it, you can easy kill them. Even though it sounds like you're just glazing, it helps them play better because you give them confidence. And don't make it too much like you're putting all the pressure on them. Just do it so then they have confidence in themselves to do it. So now we're the team aggressing, and as I'm on this player, I'm too slow to edit, so now I get pumped. And now I'm sticking with my teammate so that I can heal up and we can go for a play. So right now, as I'm healing, or my team is trying to kill a player, but I see an opportunity to lurk around and try and get some damage off. But the player catches me off guard and full boxes me. Even though I managed to get out, I'm stuck in storm taking damage. Now this is the bad part, because I'm on low ground and my team is on high ground. But this opponent's got me full box, but I've managed to get out. But now he's got in my box and I'm dead. Even though I keep dying, you can do better than me. So just keep playing, I promise you. Last season I got a champ 1 because of this. So even though it looks like my team is doing good, that's what I'm talking. This is what I'm talking about. The good players you play against and play with, they can help you get better and just play better in general. So now my team has got a kill. Come on, teammate, you can do this. He's taking on the opponent. He's at 117 damage. Come on, he can finish him off. He just needs. If you could shoot this up, this would be great for us. He's chopping him out, wasting all his mats. He got trapped, but he's got out. Come on, teammate. See what he does. Team's gone for low ground, trying to get some damage off. And he's found my mat. He's found my mats. He's got back to mats, and now he's made a box. Waiting for the other player. As you can see, my team is now taking on his surroundings, seeing if he get any advantages out of them. But now he's just trying to go for the lurk like I did, but failed. As you can see, Storm is coming on him, but now he needs to run. But the bad thing is, he's being trapped by his opposition to stop him from getting in. But he's managed to find a loophole through their defenses to get out of the zone. And now he's in a 1v1 against him. Oh, he misses. He gets an unlucky shot. And we're going to return back to the lobby to show you the last bit of your training. Instead of showing you, I'm just going to talk to you about it. Actually, yeah, I'll show you it. And then for the last one, I'll just explain it to you because it's straightforward. So I've gone on to follow. And then there's this map called Martos Turtle Box Fights FFA. And make sure to search up Martos because he's a really, really solid creator and he makes really good maps that they should all follow and play. This one is my personal favorite because I struggle in Peace Control, and when I'm playing Peace Control, I'm basically just trying to hide. So now I see this player here, and I see they're both fighting. I've stolen their ward, trying to get a shot on them, but I've missed. But I forgot to reset my build, so then I've got wiped out because of the chaos. One of the most overpowered weapons in the game. When I come back strong, trying to get my revenge, I see these two fighting, trying to snatch a kill, but then I realize he's aiming at me. So I go down, but I realize he's chasing me now. He's got me full box and he's faked me out with a double cone edit. But I still have high hopes. I'm looking to see what weapons I should use to get my revenge, and mainly just to practice. Because it's all about practice in the end. If you're not going to practice, you're not going to get anywhere. Well, straight away, this guy is camping my spawn. But I still believe that I can beat him. Two up beneath me. One's gone for the shots, and the other one's trying to take my builds out. But I've managed to escape. One's still on the chase though. And I've managed to get out of the box that he's nearly trapped me in. But now I've trapped him in it, and now I've got some damage off. But here's the bad part, I've not managed to get a shot on him. So now he's gone for the back, and now he's done all the damage to me. And as I run, trying to flip my ramp and take it, he's got into the. Now this is for the last map of your training. And as I move forward, I'm going to show you a very important map from Alviv. And it's called Solo Realistic Zone Wars Endgame. It is it's very good for practicing for tournaments and for in-game. As you can see, it might just look like a normal Zone Wars Endgame map, but this one's different. It has all latest loot, And the more you work in the map, the more rewards you gain. And also, the benefit of practicing this map teaches you how to end out on top in any game. Hopefully this video has helped you, and if it has, like and subscribe for more gaming content like this. See you next time. Bye!